Our state is now up to more than 22,000 infections and 892 deaths. The growing numbers are why many critics say reopening the state today is just too risky. Meanwhile, more coronavirus testing sites, those are popping up as well. Here's a map of the latest locations. Today, we're tracking the testing numbers, taking a look at where Georgia stands. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson is live at Georgia State University in downtown Atlanta, a site that just opened today. Ashley?
They did indeed, Tracy, and the Georgia National Guard has been out here all day assisting. We've seen a few cars come through, but it's been relatively slow. The more testing sites that open, the less crowded these sites will be. That's certainly been the case here and at another location that we visited today. While many still don't understand the numbers behind the governor's decision to reopen the state, he calls the data favorable. Here's what we know. More than 100,000 people in Georgia have been tested for the novel coronavirus, and more than 21% of them tested positive. Testing is critical, especially in a state starting to reopen, because it identifies hotspots and helps with mitigation. New testing locations are opening across the state, including this one at a former Walgreens in Johns Creek, and this one in a Georgia State University parking lot. Dr. Shireen Patel, the Assistant VP of Population Health and Clinical Integration at Wellstar, says people shouldn't get a false sense of security just because the state is reopening.
Opening up doesn't give you a license to stop socially distancing, right? I think we need to make sure we continue to socially distance. Actually, we probably need to have a higher vigilance around social distancing as things open up, just to make sure that we don't have a spike in cases.
And according to the State Department of Health, more than 100,000 people in Georgia have been tested so far, but we still lag behind other states. With these new testing sites opening, hopefully that will change. Live in Atlanta, Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.